البوابة رقم F6. الرجاء تجهيز بطاقات الصعود وجوازات السفر وإبرازها عند بوابة الصعود.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ya. I'm now at the boarding area. I'm waiting for my plane, and I have a 16 hours layover in Dubai. I supposed to go out with my cousins in Dubai, but my visa, I need to wait for 3 days for my transit visa, and I can't wait for 3 days because my flight is today. So, I'm going to wait in Dubai for 16 hours. We'll see what I'm gonna do there. Oh, that's the plane. I'm in the plane now, and good thing my mom's friend is here. Hi, Te. Juliana.
Juliana.
Hi. Seatmates kami sa plane. Or seatmates in the plane. Juliana. Juliana. So I'm in Dubai now. I have 14 hours. 14 hours to kill. My mom's friend already left on a different boarding gate, and I'm here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Looking for a lounge where I can stay for so many hours because I left Kuwait too early. I wanna sleep, eat, and I don't know. We'll see kung saan. Of Dubai. After 3 hours done, I'm here. Still waiting. I bought some fried rice. Good thing there's an Asian store here, but they don't have tables and chairs, so I have to go back to the boarding gate and eat here. See the situation. So, ta-da! Let's eat lunch. In again. I'm having this one. Kain. Sila ko put the rest of the hours. Oh my god. By the way, I wanna thank my mom, my dad, my sisters for supporting me on this trip. I love you guys so much. Feeling the time. I just bought something from the duty free there, and I'll look for a chair or a cafe where I can sit. Avail. My camera is there. Hello, self. Counting my tax. So I bought this expensive tea just to sit here and charge my gadgets. So yes. Shout out to my cousin who left me behind. Krisha Shane Boyser na nag-cancel ng ticket. So I'm all alone here. Time check again. It's 6:01 in the evening. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Still 6 hours. So sayang talaga. I even have a Dubai Expo ticket. I wasted a day here in Dubai. Yeah, finally, after so many hours of waiting, I'm going board now.